Welcome to our tour of a Deck 12 Surfside balcony room. Laurie and I were on the inaugural cruise of Icon of the Seas. The first thing that you notice when you walk in is the smart thermostat. It includes mood lighting. We didn't find out about this until after the cruise, but you can set the lighting depending on the time of day or what you want. There's also a bathroom light and a master light that allows you to turn on and off individual lights in the room. The bathroom in our stateroom was surprisingly spacious, with lots of nooks and crannies to store things. It even had two 120-volt power outlets. There's plenty of place to store our toiletries, so we had no problem getting set up in the bathroom. The shower was also very spacious. The door opened on a cantilevered hinge, which made it much easier to get into the shower. It was so wide, you had no worries about knocking your elbows against the side, and of course it also has a seat in there. Back in the cabin, behind the full-length mirror, is another storage cubby with your wall safe. Across from the bed is a lighted storage shelf area and also hanging hooks to hang up a towel, robe, or something else. The TV's directly across from the bed, making it easy to watch. And those storage shelves, they contain hidden USB chargers. Next to the bed is a full-size closet, one area that's shorter for pants and shirts, and another long hanging area. The pull-out wire bins underneath the closet were handy for storing small items. The king-size bed with rounded corners made it easy to get around the room. There's a power outlet and USB on one side of the bed, and a single USB on the other. The desk area contains a lamp with its own on-off switch, European and US 120 ports, plus two USB chargers, as well as this super secret item over here, two USB-C charger ports. You've got numerous drawers, make it easy to store your clothes and accessories. There's also a small desk area with a chair that has its own drawer. In the same section is the mini fridge. It won't keep items cold, but it'll keep them cool. Above the desk is a switch for the balcony lights. Of course, the whole reason for booking a balcony cabin is the balcony. The balcony in our Surfside cabin was not quite as spacious as some that we've had, but it was big enough for footstools and a small table, and it had a really nice view of the Surfside area. One of our concerns about this cabin was how noisy it would be, but what we found was that even when it was packed during the day with events going on, there wasn't that much noise if the glass door was closed. At night, there wasn't much at all going on. We hope you've enjoyed this view of our cabin on Icon of the Seas. We've got a lot of new videos coming out in the upcoming weeks. Hope you'll join us for them. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and hit that like button. See you next time. Have you ever thought about going on a group cruise to get some of those perks and special pricing? Well, this is your chance. Mountains to Sea Crew is hosting our first ever group cruise. We've got an amazing lineup of ports for you and some incredible pricing on the cabins. Just email Amy at eecctravel.com for details and booking. I'm certain you're going to have a great time.